No, folks, we're still tracking severe storms moving our way. Chris, so what's the latest here, sir?
Well, the system is getting closer to us here in northwest Georgia. That'll be arriving a little bit later on tonight. The latest that we just got in is that a new tornado watch was issued that does not include any of North Georgia yet, but it does include parts of eastern Tennessee. You can see a tornado warning that is issued there in the northern parts of Tennessee near the Kentucky line. We have this tornado watch in northern parts of Alabama and into Tennessee. And as that line gets closer to us, we expect the potential for a tornado watch to be issued for us a little bit later on this evening. Look up to the north. A lot of the ingredients are to the north of us in parts of Kentucky, moving into parts of Ohio, pushing out of Indiana, moving on up toward West Virginia as well. And this storm has a history of producing some damage with trees down, as well as we've had reports of tornadoes out of this line too. As you can see in those areas where we saw the tornado watches, that's where we have the highest level 4 of 5 risk for severe storms. But even here in Georgia and even in metro Atlanta, we have a level 3 of 5 risk for us, including northwest Georgia, metro Atlanta, and areas to the south. To the east, it is a level 2 of 5 risk. And we're going to break this down for you even more with that tornado risk. And what you see here in the yellow with all of the black lines through it, the Storm Prediction Center calls that a hatched area. And when you see that hatch, that means that not only could we see some tornadoes to develop, but the ones that develop could be strong as these ingredients are coming together. Here's a look at the tornado environment as these storms roll in. What you're looking for here, the brighter colors. Now, this doesn't mean it's a guarantee that you'll have a tornado, but that just means the environment is coming together for that potential for tornadoes to occur. And you see some of those colors here between Rome and Atlanta tonight around midnight, also to the south of us, and then it moves quickly over to the east during the overnight hours, taking that threat away from us. So it's really going to be between 9 and 3 o'clock in the morning when we see these storms coming in from northwest over to the east of us. Here we are at 10 o'clock tonight. You can see these storms here to the north and west of metro Atlanta, pushing back over into Alabama. This kind of comes together still during the late night hours. This is at midnight with these storms expanding over north Georgia and to the west of us, moving through the metro area. We're thinking by 2 o'clock, still some storms here in Atlanta and over to the east of us, but then that back edge moves through, let's say between 3 and 6 o'clock in the morning. Then the northwest flow pushes in, and that's just going to bring in some colder air during the day on Wednesday and maybe just a couple of spotty showers later on in the day. So we have a lot to watch with this system as it rolls in. By Thursday, still a few more clouds. We're going to be dealing with that colder air. We're talking about lows moving down into the 30s here for Friday morning as well as on Saturday morning. So here's a look at that 7-day outlook. You can see the rain's really going to be pushing out really before most of us wake up in the morning, and then we'll just see clearing skies, breezy conditions, cooler air during the day with highs near 63. Thursday's high only up to around 58 degrees, and then there you see the morning lows Friday and Saturday in the 30s with highs near 60 Friday, mid-60s Saturday, moving back to the 70s here for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, with the rain chances coming back on the lower end on Monday and Tuesday. Be sure to keep it with us here at 11 Alive and 11alive.com. Meteorologist Nicole Hartford and I are going to be here with you throughout the evening hours. We'll break in if any of these storms cause any tornado warnings.
All right.